China's infamous black stinky tofu. What exactly is it, and why do locals love it so much? Well, I've got all the answers to your questions. Firstly, why is it black? Well, the black color comes from this brine. The tofu is soaked in it for 4 to 6 hours until it comes out black. The reason this brine is black is because one of the main ingredients is mushrooms. What you're seeing here is a young brine. It's only 40 days old, and it's only after 2 years of fermenting that it'll start to look like this, black, totally liquid, and ready to be used. This is also where that signature stinky smell comes from, this fermentation process. And here in the fermentation room, you can only imagine how strong the smell is. The longer it's fermented, the stronger the smell and taste. There was a brine here that's over 66 years old, and yes, it can still be used to make stinky tofu.
I would be very interested to know how strong the taste from this stinky tofu actually is.
The next step in the process is deep frying the tofu to crispy perfection, then enjoying it with chili sauce, pickled radish, and coriander. As for the taste, it's delicious.
Man, that is a whack bang of flavour it is there.
But I couldn't help but wonder, how does it taste without all those extra flavours added?
When you taste it, that smell that we associate with the stinky tofu, it really isn't there. It's not as salty as I was expecting it was going to be. I'd say this has more of an earthiness to it, and I'm loving the crust on the outside from that black kind of outer tofu casing, and on the inside it's so soft and actually kind of reminds me of blue cheese a little bit.
Don't knock it till you try it, guys, and make sure you're following me for more food adventures.